Hello guys, this is Money Grind here. So let's do some TA on the price movement of Ethereum, shall we? Enjoy! I won't say that this is an interesting chart because it isn't. So let's see. So how should we approach this chart? We can see here that here is definitely a double bottom. So you can see that the price move down here, move down, and then it forms a double bottom here, and then the price rebounded back to the upward. So here maybe we can draw a resistance line here. So make it bigger. Let's make it bigger, and let's use red. So here you are. So this is definitely the previous support, previous resistance line for this formation here, and so let's move this line, adjust it a little bit, move it a little bit downward to here, and then okay, so let's move it way out here. Okay, and then we can see that here is a small head and shoulder. It's not a big one, but definitely it has moved the price downward, so we can draw another support line here also. So this is the line, the neckline for this head and shoulder pattern. So I'll most probably approach it like this. So okay, so this will be our support line for this head and shoulder pattern. So let's refine this graph more, shall we? So here we have the price, the rally since nope, never mind. So here we have the price rally since last time, and this is a ascending channel for this price movement. So let's approach it like this. Okay, so move it up a little bit. So if we project this line down from here, so it will crosses the, since this neckline has becomes another support for this price movement, since it break up here and form the ascending channel. So how should we approach this? So the price broke down from this ascending channel, and okay, so what we should do is use the Fibonacci numbers to project the most probable support line for this price movement. Okay, so let's do this, and let's do it like this. So first we need to define the first 1/3 level. Okay. So about here maybe. And then the other one is around here. Nice. Okay, here, 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 here. Then move this down a little bit. So this is 1/3. So let's project this with the price line here. Price line. Okay. Let's delete this one. So 1/3 here, okay. So if we were to do it like this, I think we will have our first. Okay. So our first resistance is at around this level. So what is this? This is a $4,150. So we can definitely see that the price has already approached the first resistance level, and it penetrated the resistance level briefly but moves back up the resistance support line almost immediately. So let's see. Now we can see that the selling pressure is definitely there. So and I think that this line will most probably not going to hold at it is currently. So let's see. So let's see where the final the final support for this price breakout will be, shall we? So here, okay, so we can move this one back here. Okay, here, 1/3, right? So 1/3 from here and then here. So roughly is 1/3 here. So this is how I would approach the current price movement. So first we will have our support level at 4,100, and then we will have our second support at 3,600, and then we will have our final support at 3,170. So these three resistance would be for this ascending price channel. We can see that the first support level has already been approached by the current breakout. So it briefly penetrated the support line, but it rebounded back above the support line almost immediately. So but as we can see here, the selling pressure is still there. So I think that this line will not hold. So if I would to jump back into the market, I would do it at this price range instead. So I would buy at around 3,600 maybe, and then I would most probably I will use the some multiplier for this one. So let's say I'll buy my buying price, let's say 100 bucks. So I'll buy 100 bucks here, and then I'll use the multiplier of 2 for the next support at here. So I will buy 100 bucks here and 200 bucks here, and if the price fall below this final support line, so I will keep buying and adding my position into this one, because I think that currently this is definitely a good buying opportunity. So if we zoom out from this graph, we can see that currently we are still early on in the price correction, and we are still in the middle of the year-end Santa Claus rally. So I think we shouldn't be too worried about this. I mean, price will definitely rebound. The problem is the timing at which we should buy in the dip. So I think for currently, and based on what information we had, so this should be a pretty decent strategy. I mean, for me at least. So I mean, this is definitely not a financial advice. It's just that what I would do for this current price correction. Okay, so this is definitely not a financial advice. Anyway, this would be all for this episode. So this will be my take for this current price movement. So I'll definitely continue to monitor the price movement from now on, and buy in the market whenever the chance presented itself. So this will be all for this update. So please subscribe and smash the like button if you find value in this video. So, and leave us a comment down below if you have any topics that you would like us to cover, and we may cover it in the next video. So cheers and next time.